Hello and welcome to another video. So today we're going to have a look at the product rule, right? Which basically states that if you have a function f of x, which is equal to h of x times g of x, in order to find the derivative f prime of x, it is h prime of x multiplied by g of x plus h of x multiplied by g prime of x. This is actually one of the more simpler rules to understand compared to the chain and the quotient rule. So let's have a look at a few examples. So let's say I've got something like f of x is equal to 6x cubed times 7x to the power of 4. How do I find the derivative? Well, that's simply finding the derivative of the first part, so that's 18x squared times 7x to the 4 plus 6x cubed times 28x to the power of 3. That leads us to get 168x to the power of 6 plus 126 times x to the power of 6, which is equal to 294 times x to the power of 6. And that's our answer. So let's have a look at one more example. Let's say we have another function f of x, which is equal to 3x squared, take 1, multiplied by x squared plus 5x plus 2. How do I find the derivative? So that's f prime of x is equal to 6x, the derivative of the first part, times x squared plus 5x plus 2 plus 3x squared, take 1, multiplied by 2x plus 5, which is the derivative of the second part. Adding the two together, that gives us 6x cubed plus 15x squared, take 2x, take 5 plus 6x to the power of 3 plus 30x squared plus 12x. When we simplify all that, we get 12x cubed plus 45x squared plus 10x, take 5. And that's really our answer. So that's really how we go about using the product rule. It is fairly more straightforward, and I'll see you in the next video.